Do you feel like you are not getting the respect you deserve? The truth is, you may have noticed there are vital secrets to masculinity which are not taught in school nowadays. These secrets are not for the common man to discover. They are to be searched for by great minds, ambitious men, or lonely underdogs no one believes in. Most men go through life never discovering these secrets, leaving a sea of weak individuals and pushovers in their wake. It's unfortunate for them, but that's done on purpose as it allows society to function and not be filled with cold, ruthless predators. For you, though, it means you're about to get a huge head start over most men today. And if you get anything useful out of this video, subscribe to join the dark side and receive the most useful forbidden knowledge required for men to succeed. Now, let's see the very simple moves you need to master if you want to command respect anywhere. Number 1, cold reading. With this bold maneuver, you'll make a statement about the other person's character, intentions, or habits. A statement that might seem eerily accurate. And even if you're wrong, you'll drive people crazy. Picture this. You find yourself trapped in a dry, uneventful chat with a girl at a social gathering. The conversation is boring, she looks bored, maybe she even gives you one-word answers. To her, you're just another boring guy with nothing much to talk about, and she treats you as such. Then you lean in, locking eyes with her, and you declare something about her such as, "You're definitely a smoker, aren't you?" Her reaction is your canvas. If you've struck the mark, her eyes widen, her intrigue ignited. You've uncovered a hidden layer of her identity, and she has no idea how. Suddenly, she's very curious about you. The conversation pivots, and as she hungers for answers, you've demonstrated an uncanny ability to perceive the unspoken thoughts and attributes of others, asserting your dominance and steering the conversation in your favor. But what if you've guessed wrong? Even in this scenario, you win. Her ego compels her to inquire, to understand why you thought she was a smoker. Now she thinks, "Do I smell? Or do I look nervous?" You're no longer just another presence in the room. You've become an enigma she's determined to decipher. Now she wants to know your thoughts, and you can play with her as you like. You can tease her, mess with her a little bit, talk about something deeper you've noticed about her. Now the conversation is your playground, you have the upper hand, you're having fun, and you're dominating the exchange. Number 2, intimidating silence. In the world of dominance and respect, silence is a weapon like no other, especially when you suspect someone is lying to you. Picture a scenario where you're engaged in a conversation with someone and a feeling gnaws at you, suggesting that they might be hiding something or lying to you completely. As the conversation unfolds, your suspicions grow stronger. The air becomes charged with uncertainty, and you decide to deploy the power of silence. You pause, your gaze fixed on them, waiting for more. The room grows hushed, and in that silence, your suspicion weighs heavy on their conscience. They start to fidget, to ramble on, desperately trying to fill the void with more and more words. Your silence, unwavering and deliberate, is driving them to reveal more than they ever intended. Intriguing, isn't it? Your quiet authority is pushing them to unveil the truth, to expose their deception. Your silence becomes a mirror reflecting their unease, and in that moment, you've seized the upper hand. They're the ones stumbling over their words, attempting to regain composure. Your silence is a reminder that you are the one in control, that you've cast a spotlight on their untruths. The conversation has shifted, the power dynamics have changed, and you've asserted dominance in the most enigmatic way. Number 3, dominant attitude. As a man, how you carry yourself physically can often speak louder than words. Imagine a situation where you find yourself in a room full of strangers, perhaps in a new job or a class where you're an outsider. It's an environment where the dynamics are uncharted and respect must be earned. Now, imagine you mastered the art of masculine body language. You enter the room, and from the moment you step in, your posture is impeccable. Your head is held high, shoulders back, and you exude an air of unshakable confidence. You walk like Conor McGregor himself, with every step conveying authority and self-assuredness. The room takes note. People can't help but turn their attention towards you. You radiate confidence, and your demeanor leaves an indelible impression. Without uttering a single word, you've assumed a position of respect and authority in the eyes of others. In this unfamiliar setting, you've established yourself as someone not afraid to walk tall. The room becomes your domain, and your mastery of body language has ensured that you command respect without needing to speak a word. This isn't just about body language, it's the art of claiming your presence, projecting unwavering confidence, and capturing the attention and respect of those around you. This is a powerful move which will give you a huge head start as it gives you great first impressions. It makes you get respect from the get-go. Now you just have to worry about keeping it. And that's it for this week's lesson. Whether in casual conversations, challenging situations, or unfamiliar environments, you now have the knowledge to steer the course and command respect. Subscribe if you like the content because there will be much more soon. Your journey has just begun, and the road ahead is paved with promise and potential.